So you were asking, who is Lola? What is Lola? Why Lola? Lola is my new favorite. It is a new skin booster treatment that is long-lasting. It repairs, refills, and stimulates. And if you remember Profhilo, shortly to compare those two, Profhilo contains hyaluronic acid that is cross-linked and non-cross-linked. Lola has a cross-linked hyaluronic acid and amino acids. It is injected in 7 points of the face, each side. The protocol can be alternated. We can also inject it in the lips, giving them natural volume and hydration. And it lasts up to half a year. Just one treatment. So, are you Lola?